Looking to give your home a fresh new look without breaking the bank? Look no further than these 5 easy DIY home decor ideas that will transform your space in no time. First on the list is adding a splash of colour to your walls. Take a trip to your local home improvement store and pick up a can of paint in a hue that reflects your personal style. Whether it's a soothing pastel or a bold, vibrant shade, a fresh coat of paint can instantly revive any room. Don't forget to lay down some drop cloths and tape off the trim to ensure a clean and professional finish. Next up, consider updating your throw pillows. This small change can have a big impact on the overall aesthetic of your living room or bedroom. Look for pillow covers in trendy patterns or colours that complement your existing decor. Swap them out seasonally to keep things feeling fresh and inviting. If you're looking to make a statement, why not try your hand at creating a gallery wall? Print out some of your favourite photos, artwork or quotes and frame them in a variety of sizes and styles. Arrange them in a cohesive manner on a blank wall to create a focal point that is sure to impress your guests. Another quick and easy way to spruce up your space is by adding some greenery. Visit your local nursery and pick out a few indoor plants that thrive in your home's specific lighting conditions. Not only will they add a touch of nature to your space, but they also help to purify the air and create a more peaceful atmosphere. Last but not least, don't neglect the power of lighting. Swapping out outdated light fixtures for modern alternatives can instantly update the look and feel of any room. Consider installing dimmer switches for added ambience and experiment with different styles of lamps and bulbs to create the perfect mood. With these 5 easy DIY home decor ideas, you can give your space a fresh new look without breaking the bank. So grab your paintbrush, get creative, and transform your home into a place you'll love coming back to.